Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Sikhulumeni nge-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs. I think i-Kaizer Chiefs iyamdinga uShinga ku-continental level. Why ngithi iyamdinga uShinga ku-continental level? Because umlungu akanaso i-strength. uShinga une-strength more than uMako nomlungu bobawu-2. uShinga unomzimba, uzokwazi ukulwa nabantu on the continental level. Umlungu kulula ukuthi bambhithe in terms of like ukulwela ibhola, nanokuthi umlungu phela akadlali ibhola lenkani, ugood ey'nyaweni, very good ey'nyaweni. But-ke mawuzoloku umu-attack-a umlwisa, uyam-overpower isikhathi esiningi. And njengoba ngikhulumile ku-video enye le earlier on ukuthi ube-expose kangakanani, ngeke ayisize i-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu ku-continental level bafethu, asikhohlwe. Lothu uzosiza i-Kaizer Chiefs umlungu in terms of ukudlala nama-Giants ne-aggression akayijwayelanga. Leyo aggression leyo ukuthi abantu they come at him njalo, maybe leyo nto leyo ingagcine futhi seyimfrustrate. That is why masibheka iplay elifana no-Cheslett. uCheslett he might be talented, but-ke Africa ngeke alunge at all. Bayingakho abelungu abadlala e-Africa bafethu ababa yi-success, because kudlala inkani, it's not about i-talent, kudlala inkani nokulwa, kuyaliwa laphana, bayakwebha, uthinteka ebusweni, so kunzima ngempela. uMako bamzamile laphana e-Africa, sibonile naye he was bullied because of mncane nge-frame. But-ke maybe kwamanye amagame angakwazi ukuyisiza i-Kaizer Chiefs, but why don't i-team ye-Kaizer Chiefs management izame uShinga ku-continental level, because uShinga unaso i-strength more than laba abanye. I mean ku-right back naku uSolomons bamnikile i-opportunity, and then uyayisebenzisa i-opportunity, grab the opportunity with both hands. Mekulimala uMayo sonke besicabanga ukuthi vele kuzodlala uFrosler, but guess what, uFrosler ukumaka is easily exposed, and then baze babuyisa abantu uSolomons. uSolomons-ke uyayithatha i-chance labamnika yona, udlala kahle kakhulu. So naku-left back kumele benze kanjalo, they have to give uShinga i-chance, azifelele yena, hhayi ukuthi nje bamhlalise akahlali nasebhentshini loya muntu, akekho naku-match day squad. And mangikhuluma ngoShinga abantu bazothi maybe uthintekile. Ngibonile enye i-comment mangithi uCheslett, bathi uCheslett ngathi ulimele. Akalimele bafethu uCheslett, 100% available, bejima, uhlezi ekhona ejimini laphana, u-right, u-ready ukudlala. But i-management kusho ukuthi ibhilivela kulama player lawa ebhilivela kuwo. uMaboy, they needed him more because unayo i-experience yase-Africa. I thought maybe he was gonna start the game since bamselektile ukuthi atravele namajita, but they didn't start the game. I mean egamini masibheka overall i-Kaizer Chiefs ziningi izinto ekumele zitshentshe. Kumele babe ne-style sabo esisibonayo, identical style, i-identity yabo ukuthi okay, this is the identity of Kaizer Chiefs of 2025. What is their identity? Sibone ifilosofi ye-coach ukuthi badlala siphi. Mabaya laphana phambili bafethu abana like ngathi bamele umlingo ukuthi lese ulile uzoshaya, usibani uzoshaya. Ayikho into oyibonayo ukuthi mawubheka ama-team abayi-success bafethu ane-game plan. Bengibukele i-pyramid manje ukuthi badlala kanjani. Isikhathi esiningi they always trying to find umayele laphana eboxing. Guess what, uyabasiza, ubashayela namagoli. And whether bamthola ngama-long balls, bamthola ngama-pass lawa phansi, bamthola, bayazi ukuthi bazomthola me laphana eboxini u-deadly. They have to keep giving him the ball. Masibheka i-style saka-Gavin Hunt, uGavin Hunt uzothi nithatheni ibhola nilifakeni phambili, i-striker siyalo. So I mean i-high tempo i-style sakhona, or i-game model yakhona, umodela i-game around i-high tempo ukuthi njalo makubamba ibhola ufuna i-strike esiyibhuli, i-strike esilwayo, hayi i-strike nje esiwutamatisi. So i-game ye-Kaizer Chiefs mina I'm struggling to understand. Ngibonile ubhuti la omunye ucommente ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs inkinga akusiwuMayo because of abakwazi ukumdlalisa uMayo nge-strength sakhe. uMayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean this is sad. uMayo la shaya khona ipali was out of position, uyambona ukuthi bekale phansi uyozama ukuzicollectela ibhola because isikhathi esiningi alifiki ibhola kuye uMayo. So badlala bomodi, badlale lento yabo amathasha amancane, ajike uModi he would face iplayer alibhithe, ajike futhi nebhola. Hayi ziyakhala ku-Chiefs bafethu. So ziningi izinto ekumele bazitshentshe laphana overall. Ngicabanga ukuthi ama-new players yes kumele anikwe i-chance bafethu. At the same time udlala e-Africa la udinga khona ifiziki. Ushiya uSilva, noma kuthiwa-ke uSilva ukhulunywa kabi kuthiwa inkomo, but-ke bekazokwazi ukubabhulisha naye ukulwa nalabantu because kufunakala inkani lapha ne-Africa. iKadaro ufit ukuthi adlale, they didn't select him, bamshiyile naye behind la e-South Africa. I mean there's still a long way to go ngale team bafethu, there's still a very long way to go. But sithemba ukuthi bazokwazi ukuwulungisa, but angeke phela sithi every game kuthiwa every game kuzolungiswa, every game kuthiwa kuzolungiswa, ayisebenzi kanjalo bafethu. So you gotta have into as i-team e-tangible ukuthi okay nilungisa la nala nala, and then you can improve lapho, because kufika ama-player amasha they are struggling with i-identity nanokuthi abakwazi ukuwadlalisa nge-strength sawo. Ngike ngakhuluma ngoSilva earlier on, ngasho ukuthi uSilva kumele abe lapha central number 9, une-height, una-everything, umfakeleni ibhola even in-square, if yena uziphositiona kahle uzokwazi ukuwashaya lawo ma-head. Into engiyishilo same thing nango-Ighodaro, ukuthi i-Ighodaro u-strong emoyeni, unamagoli amaningi ambalwanyana ngekhanda. If kuzodlala yena ezinumber 9 lapha bazomdlalisa kanjani? Bazothi naye u-Ighodaro ayolanda ibhola alidlale a-connect-e nama-midfielders alifune ey'nyaweni, isikhathi esiningi khona la alifuna khona ekhanda vele alishaye, but i-Kaizer Chiefs ayili-square ibhola, bayalibamba baphase hhayi ya hhayi bafethu ziyakhala. But kubonakala ngathi at the moment i-starting lineup se-Kaizer Chiefs asisazi ngempela. uNdlovu ubuya kwi-injury, simbonile naye edlala, kusho ukuthi abakabi ne-starting 11 lesibona abasithembayo ukuthi okay laba yilaba nalaba nalaba. uNgcobo is in and out of i-starting 11, so you never know ukuthi next game uzoqala or ngeke aqale. So abakabi ne-team e-strong, e-powerful, bona laba ababhilivela kuyo ukuthi okay nayi i-team yethu, but kunabo abanye abazoba-assista overall. Yeah, i-left back position bafethu bengicabanga ukuthi mhlampe uCross uzoyi-owner, e-Africa angeke ayi-owne leya left back position. I think uShinga uzokwazi ukusilwela, kumele alwe naye lwela isikhala sakhe laphana, but at the same time noma ungalwa but uma bangakunika ama-opportunities ejimini or baku-select kuma-match day squad, because uShinga he can't even make ama-match day squad, but-ke kumele bamnike i-chance nje kanye kawu-2 babone ukuthi uyazifelela. I think mina uShinga would do well kulona ku-CAF bafethu. I think he would do really well because I remember safika masimbhesa was waba-overweight umuntu, kanti une-speed, even though uma umbheka ngathi ukhuluphele, unomzimba. Kufuneka lowo muntu-ke laphana e-Africa. I saw uCross bambhitha easy in terms of like ukulwela ibhola because bamshaya nge-strength. uShinga unaso leso strength leso, so that's what he brings to i-game ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall, but-ke ama-coaches awakuboni lokho, adlalisa labantu laba befuna ukubadlalisa. I mean it's frustrating i-moment nale kaDupreez ukuthi uthole i-golden opportunity wenza lento le ayenzile, noma kuthiwa kuyagejwa bafethu hayi kanje, but asindlule ku-moment kaDupreez engikhulume ngayo kakhulu. I-Kaizer Chiefs izodlala amalona bafethu ama-game ambalwa this month izogcina ngeDurban City laphana ngeyi-31. Ngeyi-25 next week iyabuya iSimba iza la e-South Africa kuba i-return leg la i-Kaizer Chiefs ekumele iwine khona, ayina-excuse, kumele iwine igame ikwazi ukuya kuma-group stages we-continental level. So i-25 izobe ziyi-Saturday, so bazodlala laphana eDobsonville. It's not gonna be an easy game, but I didn't see mini team engakhompyutha ne-Kaizer Chiefs leya. I mean leya team leya bafethu there's nothing special at all, there's nothing special, zero ngayo. So yeah, it's sad ukuthi nje i-Kaizer Chiefs yona ayikwazanga i-moment kaDupreez, but asikhohlwe yiyo bafethu. Yeah, so i-Kaizer Chiefs during the week izodlala neSwelele FC, and then after nge-25 idlala neSimba again return leg, and then nge-31 idlala neDurban City, and then nge-4 November idlala ne-Orbit College. So masiwabheka lama-match lawo, Kaizer Chiefs ama-favorites kuwo wonke lama-match lawo, and they have no excuse not to win wonke lama-game lawo. iSwelele FC Nkosi yami i-team eyayifele-ke yona, iyazamela ithi iyazama kodwa hhayi kuyabheda, they just disorganized, yonke into yakhona, izinto zakhona azihambi kahle. I'm expecting a straight win from i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, but with the Chiefs ne-system yabo enje, you never know, but I'm expecting i-straight win. And then nge-25 nge-weekend iSwelele badlala naso nge-22 Wednesday ngo-7 Soccer City, but I'm expecting i-game against iSimba ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs bayiwine, possibly bashaye boma-2 goals or more. Then nge-31 badlala neDurban City. Angeke kuba nzima ukudlala noGavin Hunt. uGavin Hunt unama-tricks wakhe, naye uzofuna ngempela ukuthi ayishaye iKaizer Chiefs, and I mean considering the fact that uyiqale kahle kakhulu isizini, and then ngey-4 November badlala ne-Orbit College. Nalowo match leyo ngi-expect ukuthi bayiwine kalula. But with the Kaizer Chiefs, egeja ewa-create-ayo ama-opportunities but iyageja. You will never know with these ones bafethu, ngeke wazi. You will never know. Kusho ukuthi yabona i-Kaizer Chiefs akusiyo i-team ongayibhejela, ongabheja ngayo ukuthi yazini le ngi-sure ngayo ukuthi izokwazi ukuwathola ama-results. I think the most frustrating thing ukuthi bayawathola ama-chance amakhulu bafethu, big chances ukuthi bawine ama-game, but yibo aba-decide ukungawathathi lawo ma-chances lawo, because Kaizer Chiefs mayingathola half of ama-chances yawo awa-create-ayo ingakwazi ukuwina ama-game amaningi with ease. So I mean this is just their well, I wouldn't say they're downfall because of they are not down. Isizini iqeda ukuqala. They can still make it, like careful. They can still make it even locally. But the most important thing, kubo compete ku-CAF competition this season, bafethu. Let's hope at Dobsonville, maba at Dobsonville, they will bury those chances that they will get because bazowa create ama-opportunity amaningi futhi hayi amancane. So kulele kubo konke ukuthi bazokwazi ukuwathatha lawo ma-opportunities bawa-turn into goals, bawa-convert. Iyo nje into abayidingayo, take your chances. Ibani ne-game model e-straight ebonakalayo. Ngathi o-coach mawubheka bazama i-finder everywhere, like awuyiboni into yabo uthi okay nayi, and yabona abo-coaches laba, I remember basha ngama-formation a-different, akusiyo i-formation eyodwa. Uyakhumbula bafethu bafaka uPaseka Mako no-Cross same time, kusho ukuthi beba-attack. Yeah, they have to find their system. They have to really find their system and try to get leyo nto leyo, and kumele kube ne-trust between ama-players nama-coach, cause abantu even i-defense e-Kaizer Chiefs, wow, they didn't face that much in terms of like ukuthi bayabalanda 1-on-1. Leya team, yes, they created opportunities but isikhathi esiningi bebashutha out of 18. There were moments of ukubathusa kancane but flat-footed leya team, akusiyo i-team i-Kaizer Chiefs engayisaba ukuthi ngeke ingayishaya even 3-4 la e-home, but konke kuzobonakala because Kaizer Chiefs iyageja bo. Ama-player-ke amasha or nalawa abuya kuma-injuries, uGiven Msimang ukhona ubuyile ku-injury, sobona ukuthi uzo-add-a i-depth laphana emuva. Thabiso Munyani naye, but uThabiso Munyani bangam-easer to i-squad se-Kaizer Chiefs, bangamphoseli immediately because uSolomon udlala kahle kakhulu. Yeah, asizibambelana bafethu ze-Kaizer Chiefs, ziyakhala eNaturena. Danko bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.